Hello, so today we're rekeying two weiser locks. Oh, that's gonna fall off. They want 3 keys, so this is how to rekey a weiser lock. Ignore the messy table and bad angles. Let's start. First things first, this pin, we're gonna push it in and then turn it off, or take off the cap on the back. Push it down, and then we're just gonna turn it out. There we go. It's off. Now the pin, we're gonna take it off, then drop the spring with it. Next, we will shim open the lock, so just some blank keys, which I will cut after, to shim off the lock. Just you're gonna push the key in, grab your shim, and then push it in through the back of the cylinder. Then you're just gonna push while pulling in and out the key. Sometimes you want to add some lubricant, sometimes you want to pull it out again because of security pins. But there we go. We have it shimmed. You can pull the shim and the key. Grab our cylinder follower. Just gonna push it right out. There we go. Now it's clear. We gotta cut our keys. Let's turn it on. There we go. So it says move to the right. We're gonna move the wheel. It says move to the left. You can't see it too well, but there we go. So we're gonna use 167, which is weiser. 167 manufacturer. It's gonna use insert number 2, which is this one. It's so messy in my car. I'll clean it someday, but it'll just get just as messy. Use our key and push it to end. Okay, you want to use the tip stop. See if I can do this one hand. There we go. Got tip stop on. We're just gonna spin this tight. Oh, there we go. Let's cut a code. So let's do 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. Let's cut it. That's a bidding. Cut. Let's do it. So I'm going to sit to the right. Let's do this bag way. Cut. And let's cut the key. There we go. That's our key. Okay, here's our cut key. You can kind of see it. I'll cut the rest after the video, but just get one going. So 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. Use our good old lap pin kit. Let me remove this. I'm just gonna pin off this. It's pretty messy. Let's go. So number 3 is 222. Number 2 is 204. Oh, kind of dropped that. Number 4 is 240. Number 5, wait a second. Yeah, number 4 is 240. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Number 5 is 258. And then number 1 is 186. There we go. As you guys can see, it's matched. And I'm reading off the numbers. So it's 168 and then goes down. That's the pins I'm going to use. Just reading off the heights. Okay. Now that's in. We're just going to push it right back into there. Turns very well. Now we're going to put the spring in, the pin in, and then we're just going to turn this cap back on. Okay, just gonna turn it. No, I'll just push the pin in. I messed up. So you just push pin in and then turn the cap. As much as it will go. Okay, it's caught. Let's try our key. Pretty good. There we go. Grab my lubricant. Ooh. Just gonna give it the good old lube. Pretty good. Go wipe off the key.